Being broke sucks. I know because I have been there before. It can be frustrating and exhausting. In today's video, I'm going to show you a unique strategy, a website where you can print dollars and earn in dollars just by performing some simple tasks. Alright, so if you are interested, you want to learn how to print dollars, then make sure you stay to the end of this video. We are going to go from being broke to giving people money, giving your friends, giving your families, taking care of your loved ones. This is going to be you by the end of this video. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. All right, so one of the beautiful things about this app or this website that I'm about to show to you is that it accepts every country. There is no country restriction. All right, if you just follow what I'm going to show to you step by step, then I can assure you that by the end of this video, you are going to be earning some dollars. All right, I'm going to show you how to set up your account. I'm also going to show you how you can get the app, because the app is available on Play Store and even the iOS store. All right, they also have a website version. All right, I'm going to be showing you all that in this video, so make sure you don't miss it. So guys, once the app is opened up, you want to sign up with Google, or you can put in your email and put in a password, but I prefer signing up with Google. I'm going to choose one of my Google accounts so I don't have to remember any of the password. I'm going to be dropping the name of the app in the comment section and the link to download it. Alright, so just check the comment and check the description for the link to download this app. So this is my dashboard. Alright, as you can see, one of the first things I'm going to do is to make sure I set up my account. I'm going to verify my mail, which you can see down there. I'm going to add some basic information about myself. Alright, so there is no need to add in any referral code, but if you would like to use my referral code, it's going to be in the description too. So this is how the interface of these apps looks like. So clicking on verify your mail now. All right, I'll have to choose my accounts. Okay, there's general, there's account. You want to choose account. There's also user data, payment received, and all that. So you want to click on your account. All right, click on send verification link. Then I'm going to go over to my mail and then come back and verify my account. So after verifying my mail, I'm going to come back and click on add basic information about myself. Then I'm going to choose user data. So I'm going to fill up all this information, put in my name and my surname. Then I'm going to choose save. Alright, so I'm going to put in gender, put in date of birth, and then I'm going to click on save. Okay, so this is very easy to do. So we have to set up our account first before we can start completing any of the tasks. Alright, it's very, very important that we do that. Alright, my information has been saved. So after setting up the information, I'm going to come back to my dashboard, click on add basic information again, and this time around I'm going to choose payment receiver, so that I'm going to put in the name and my address, my country code. So you can get this online. Alright, your information about where you stay, your city, your zip and postal code can be found on Google. Alright, so I'm going to fill this and then come back and then we'll continue. So I'll click on save. Then I'm going to click on payment details. Alright, I'm done with the address. Then I'll click on payment details and then I'm going to put in my name and my surname again and then choose save. So next we'll come to our dashboard. Now we want to go through each of the different tabs. Close the dashboard. We can see the N. Alright, we can see the billing. You can see the analytics. So these are the different games you can play there. The billing is showing you the amount to withdraw. Where you can, once you get to $1, you can start withdrawing, just as you're seeing here now. You check out the analytics. All right, that's your progress. All right, your earning progress. we'll check the achievements, what you have achieved so far on the application. All right, so this is not the video to go into each and every one of these tabs. Okay, what I want to just show you is how to earn on this, how to start earning. All right, so that's that about the achievements. Coming to the earn tab now, these are different ways to earn. You can earn by playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos. All right, so when you click on watching videos, you are going to see some videos. So because based on the time I'm doing this video now, I can see just one. So you click on watch and then click on start watching videos. So you are going to wait for 30 seconds. You are going to show you an ad, a video ad, and then you have to stay on the video ad for 30 seconds, and then you are going to receive some points. So as you can see, if you check at the top left of my screen, you are going to see the countdown. All right, the countdown, the time you have to stay on this video to receive your reward. So if you close this video before the time elapse, you will not receive your points. All right, so this app is earning from us as they are also paying us. That's how legit it is. All right, so we are done with the video, so you want to just close this and then go back to your dashboard. So you click on OK, make sure you close this. This is just extra ads showing. All right, so coming back to my dashboard, you can see that I've already made $0.01. That's about 1 cent. So it's as easy as that. So these are the ways you can earn from this application. So the two best for me are to fill out surveys, okay, and then to watch video ads. But currently now, if you click on fill out on the BitLab, you are going to realize that there is currently no surveys going on at the moment. So I just have to check back during the day. So you have to keep checking during the day to be able to check out the surveys you can fill, and then when you fill it, some surveys can earn you even $1 automatically, just like that. All right, so because there are no surveys, I'll just come back to my dashboard, all right, and keep checking during the day. So these are the things I can just sit down at home and just be checking and be filling out the surveys, be watching ads. Whenever there's ad available, I watch and I just keep accumulating more dollars. So when I get to $1, which we have seen, then I can now include my payment details. So if you're watching this video and you want to go ahead and try this, let me know in the comment section. Once you get to $1, I'm going to do another video to guide you through how to fill your payment details on this application. All right, so once you have put in your payment details, and it's going to be PayPal, all right, they're going to be paying you through PayPal, you can now cash out your withdrawals to your bank. Okay, it's as easy as this. So don't waste any time in getting started. All right, the app is going to be showing at the end of this video and in the description. Make sure you use my referral link to download the app and get started right away. All right, so like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on the bell notification. God bless you. So guys, this is the name of the app. It's called Paid Work. All right, so you can get it on Play Store or on Apple Store. It's free to use, so you can just download it and then follow the video step by step and start making your money.